Hello, and welcome to this transformative video. I'm excited to share some powerful ideas and practical steps rooted in Stoicism that can genuinely change your life. We all desire to improve ourselves, achieve our goals, and find happiness, but sometimes it can feel overwhelming or unclear where to begin. This video will serve as your roadmap, guiding you through 6 essential Stoic steps that can lead to meaningful changes in your life. In just a few years, you might look back and say, "That's when I started to turn my life around." Whether you're a teenager caught up in social media, a busy student, or someone looking to make a fresh start, the steps I'm about to share can help you. So, let's dive in and discover how you can unlock your potential and create the life you desire. Step 1. Building good habits. Let's start with the first step to improving our lives: building good habits. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Good habits are actions that help us grow and become better people. But which good habits should we start, and how do we build them? There's a helpful trick we can use to train our brains to adopt these good habits automatically. First, it's vital to understand the 2 types of habits: instant gratification habits and delayed gratification habits. Understanding this difference is crucial for your journey. Instant gratification habits are actions that give us quick rewards. They might feel good in the moment, but they can harm our lives over time. For example, scrolling through social media may bring you laughs or entertainment, but if you spend too much time doing this, it can take away from your studies, hobbies, or time with family. As Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." While it's fun to engage with entertaining content, it can lead to wasted hours and distractions in your life. Imagine you have a big assignment due soon. Instead of working on it, you choose to watch videos or play games for hours. In the short term, you feel happy and entertained, but when you realize you have little time left to complete your assignment, stress sets in. This is the danger of instant gratification habits. They feel good now, but can lead to negative consequences later. On the other hand, delayed gratification habits are those that may seem hard or boring at first, but lead to significant improvements in our lives later on. For instance, reading a non-fiction book may feel less exciting than binge-watching a series, but it can help you learn new information and develop critical thinking skills. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius reminds us. The key is to fill your days with more delayed gratification habits while minimizing the time spent on instant gratification activities. Let's look at more examples of each type of habit to deepen our understanding. Instant gratification. Habits. Watching TV for hours instead of studying for an important test. You might think, "I'll study later," but then you find yourself too tired to focus afterward. Eating junk food because it tastes good, even though it's not healthy. This can lead to feelings of sluggishness and poor health over time. Spending too much time on social media instead of completing your homework. The quick likes and comments can be addictive, distracting you from your responsibilities. Delayed gratification habits. Reading books to gain knowledge and insights. This can expand your understanding of the world and improve your vocabulary, echoing Seneca's belief that life is long if you know how to use it. Exercising regularly to stay healthy and fit in the long run. As Epictetus said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Saving money for something important instead of spending it immediately on something small. This can teach you patience and financial responsibility. I've thought carefully about what the 3 most helpful delayed gratification habits are, and I believe they are: exercise, meditation, and dedicated work. Step 2. Start with simple habits. Now, let's explore how to make these 3 habits easy to adopt, just like brushing your teeth. First, you need to commit to doing them every day. This means making a promise to yourself that you will stick to these habits, no matter what challenges arise. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters, Epictetus reminds us. Second, simplify the process. Start meditating for just 3 minutes every morning. Meditation is a fantastic way to clear your mind and relax. You can sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths in and out, letting go of any tension. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time to 5, 10, or even 15 minutes. There are many apps available that offer guided meditations if you need some assistance getting started. Next, do 30 push-ups. Push-ups are a simple exercise that helps build strength in your arms, chest, and core. If you can't do 30 right away, that's perfectly fine. Start with a number you can manage, even if it's just 5 or 10 push-ups, and work your way up. The important thing is to keep trying and not give up. You can also try modified push-ups or wall push-ups if standard push-ups are too challenging at first. The goal is to build strength gradually. Additionally, consider incorporating other forms of exercise that you enjoy, like walking, jogging, or dancing. This will help keep your routine exciting and engaging. Lastly, dedicate 15 minutes to work on a project or study each day. This could be anything you want to improve, such as schoolwork, a personal hobby, or a job-related task. Getting started is key, even if it's just for a short time. You can set a timer for 15 minutes and focus entirely on that task, avoiding distractions during that time. Consider using techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Action is the foundational key to all success, Pablo Picasso said. The good news is that it takes just 21 days for our brains to adapt to a new habit. If you commit to these habits every day for 21 days, they will start to feel normal and easy. The key is consistency. Set a specific time for meditation, push-ups, and project work. For example, you could meditate first thing in the morning, do your push-ups right after breakfast, and then work on your project after school. Once these actions become second nature, you can gradually increase the time you spend on them. At first, developing these habits might seem small, but believe me, they can lead to significant changes in your life. You'll start to feel more energized, focused, and productive. Additionally, these small daily victories can boost your confidence and motivation to tackle bigger challenges. Step 3. Surround yourself with positive influences. The third factor that can help us change our lives is the people and content we surround ourselves with. We are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with, as Jim Rohn said. This means that the people around us can significantly affect who we become and what we do. If you spend time with supportive and positive people, you are more likely to feel motivated and inspired to achieve your goals. Consider the influence of your friends, family, and peers. If your friends prioritize studying and personal growth, you're more likely to adopt those values as well. Conversely, if your friends are disengaged or negative, it may impact your motivation and outlook on life. No man is free who is not master of himself, Epictetus reminds us. In today's world, where we consume a lot of online content, we can say that we are also shaped by the 5 sources of content we engage with. Just like our friends and family influence our beliefs about what is possible, the content we watch and read plays a big role in shaping our mindset. It's essential to choose content that inspires and uplifts us. For example, read books and watch videos from people who share their journeys of improvement. This kind of content can help you believe that the changes you want to make are achievable. You might follow motivational speakers, successful entrepreneurs, or educators who share valuable insights. YouTube, podcasts, and audiobooks are great platforms to find this type of content. Surrounding yourself with positive people is equally important. These are friends or family members who support you and encourage you to do your best. If you spend time with people who are negative or who don't support your goals, it can be challenging to stay motivated. You can also join groups or communities that focus on positive growth. Whether it's a study group, a sports team, or an online community, being around like-minded individuals can boost your motivation and help you stay on track. Step 4. Focus on your mental health. Many people forget one crucial part when trying to get better grades, earn more money, or improve in any way: their mental health. A good character and a good life will always be your best possession, as Epictetus said. This might sound boring or unimportant, but ignoring mental health can lead to struggles. If we are feeling down because of mental health issues, we won't perform well in school or work. The truth is, when we are happy and mentally healthy, we do better in all areas of our lives. So, how can we become happier? There is a simple exercise that takes only about 2 minutes each morning and can help boost our happiness. This exercise is called keeping a gratitude journal. Spend 2 minutes with a pen and paper and think of one or more things you are grateful for. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others, Cicero reminds us. For example, you might write, "I'm grateful for my family," or "I'm grateful for the beautiful weather today." You could say, "I'm grateful for the warm cup of coffee on my table because it's cold outside and it tastes really good." This practice might seem simple, but if you do this consistently for several days, your brain will start to notice more things you are thankful for throughout the day, which will lead to a better mood overall. You may find that you start to appreciate the little things in life, like a friendly smile from a stranger or a tasty meal. In addition to gratitude journaling, consider incorporating other mental health practices into your routine. This could include mindfulness. Take a few minutes to be present in the moment. Notice your surroundings, your thoughts, and your feelings without judgment. Physical activity. Exercise is a powerful way to boost your mood. Whether it's a walk, yoga, or dancing, moving your body can release endorphins and make you feel happier. Connecting with others. Spend time with friends or family who lift your spirits. Social connections are important for mental well-being. Step 5. Discover your purpose. To sum it up, if we are happier, we perform better, and one way to boost our happiness is through gratitude practice. So far, we have covered 3 steps to improve our lives: our habits, our influences, and our mental health. Now let's talk about the 4th step: finding our purpose, our mission. What is the purpose of life? To live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experiences. Eleanor Roosevelt. What do we really want to do in life? I'm not talking about wanting nice things, getting good grades, or making a certain amount of money. I mean something much deeper. What is the reason you were born? What is your big mission? This is a significant question, and it's okay not to have an answer right away. Take your time to think about it. The next time you find yourself with some free time, take 10 minutes to write down your thoughts and reflections. You can ask yourself questions like, what do I love to do? What makes me truly happy? What do I want to achieve in my life? What are my passions and interests? How do I want to make a difference in the world? You might want to create a vision board or write a list of your dreams and goals. Visualizing your dreams can be incredibly powerful and can help you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Consider cutting out images or words from magazines that inspire you and placing them on a board where you can see them daily. Consider this. How big would your dreams be if you knew they would all come true? Think about it for a moment. When you realize the size of your dreams, you will discover your true purpose. This sense of purpose can guide your decisions and help you stay motivated even when challenges arise. Step 6. Take action. Finally, we arrive at the last and most important step, taking action. Action is the foundational key to all success, Pablo Picasso said. By now, you've learned a lot and received exercises that can genuinely improve your life. Many people will watch this video and appreciate it, but they may not take the necessary steps to implement changes. If you want this video to change your life, you must take action. Otherwise, it will only provide motivation without real results. Taking action means making a plan and sticking to it. It means doing the things you said you would do, even when it feels difficult or uncomfortable. To make it easy for you to start, here's a quick summary of all the steps we discussed. 1. Meditate for 3 minutes every morning. Do 20 push-ups. 3. Work for 15 minutes on your project or study. 4. Choose positive content that inspires you. 5. Take 2 minutes each morning to write down one or more things you are grateful for. 6. Take time to reflect on your purpose and what you want to achieve in life. If you add these small exercises to your daily routine, in just 21 days, they will feel as natural as brushing your teeth. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, Lao Tzu reminds us. You will begin to notice positive changes in your life. Now, you need to decide, will this video change your life? If you choose not to implement these habits and say, I'll start next week or I'll begin tomorrow, nothing will change. Your life will remain the same as it was before you watched this video. But if you take action, even if it feels a little uncomfortable yet exciting, you will change your life. The power to transform your future is in your hands. As you embark on this journey, remember that change takes time and effort. The things you think about determine the quality of your mind, Marcus Aurelius said. There will be days when you feel like giving up, but that's when you need to push through the most. Celebrate your small victories along the way and be kind to yourself during the process. Surround yourself with supportive friends, stay curious, and never stop learning. You have everything you need to succeed within you. All you have to do is take that first step. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great, John D. Rockefeller wisely advised. Remember, progress is not always linear. You may face setbacks, but it's essential to view these challenges as opportunities for growth rather than failures. Learn from your experiences and keep moving forward. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and take action. You are capable of creating the life you want, and the journey of self-improvement is one of the most rewarding paths you can take. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you on your journey to a better life. Remember, every small step counts, and your future is bright if you believe in yourself and take action.